Hi guys. Last night I was looking at a Telefunken tablet that I'd got in my stock, and I think all I'm going to do with that is take the LiPo battery out of it and use that and scrap the rest of it because it had a broken screen, and I think it's probably quite a few years old. I don't think there's any chance of getting a replacement screen at a sensible price. Same situation with this one. This is a Bush AC101BU, is it? It looks to me like I've already had a go at getting inside it. So we might as well finish the job. Right. There we are. 2 flat LiPo batteries. Looks like they've actually got protection boards on them, which could be handy. So my intention is just to strip these off here and use them for other purposes. I don't think there's much chance of actually replacing that screen. And even if there is, it's probably not worth the effort. That was a real struggle. And it's only thin bits of sticky tape holding them together. So basically, most of the tablet is just the screen. Then, not quite sure what that little blob is. Don't think it's a microphone. Camera. I think that 140730 is the date. 2014. I'm just trying to guess what the 4851 100 is. I'm wondering if they're 100 long. 51 wide and 4.8 thick. I'm just guessing. That'll be some combination of those numbers will be the actual size of the battery. We could just put a meter on there and see what voltage they've actually got at the moment. Apparently nothing at all. Really? Yeah. Getting absolutely nothing out of them at all. Well, that'll be a challenge, see if we can get any power into them. It could well be that they've gone so low voltage that the protection circuit is preventing any further power going out. That looks to me like it's only one protection circuit on there. That one doesn't appear to have a protection circuit on it. It's just got the negative and positive wires come round and they go to this one. And then this one's got the protection circuit on it. Well, I mean, that'll do, to be honest. I don't intend to do anything else to it. Oh, that'll be speakers, won't it? Those two. So that's your speaker. So yeah, maybe that is the microphone tucked under there. And then the actual tablet itself that's the controls, the circuit board. That's the forward camera and that's the reverse camera. Tiny little thing. Micro SD card reader. Same as I did with the Telefunken tablet. Put a connector on there so we can just put an ordinary LiPo battery on there, just see if we can get anything out of it. Okay. Which was the on-off. Oh, wow. I didn't expect that. Looks like the actual screen itself is okay. It's just this glass cover on it that's faulty. It's telling me the battery's nearly flat. And that's it. All right. Okay. Which was that? Is that the on? That's the one at this end's the on-off. There we go. Yeah. Not, oh. That part's working. It doesn't look like we can do much to the... Oh, well, that's more than I expected. But, yeah, it's not very impressed with that battery, is it? Have to find something with a bit more power. Well, that's the batteries connected up to that charger, and they are taking charge. This one might be more useful than the Telefunken. Might be. Telefunken, I have charged that battery. So what we could do is try plugging that one in. Right, that's now plugged into the Telefunken battery. So push that one. Nothing. There we are. I was a bit happier with that battery. But we've still got nothing we can do. Yeah, it's not recognizing me touching the screen. Oh well. As I said, I think I'm probably just going to be harvesting the batteries anyway. One more try. Yeah, it's not recognizing me. Over here, it can feel my finger. But, yeah. Oh, okay. Saturday the 1st of January. Yeah, it looks like this side of the screen we're having no effect. How about... Ah! Whoa! Turn it sideways, Grandad, and we're in. Oh, wow. Well, I didn't expect that. We have a half-working tablet up to the break, which you can't see very well on the camera there, can you? There you are, that's a better angle. So if we turn it up that way, we have access. What a surprise. It gets even more interesting. Doesn't appear to have, well, whoever had it hasn't put a name on it. Or because it's been shut off so long, it's, well, yeah, we can't touch anything up there. Below, we're okay. So if I wanted to do anything with the wireless at the top there, will it flick that way up? Yes, it will flick that way up. So we have a tablet that's almost usable. As long as you just turn it so you can only use half the screen. Oh, well. We might have to put the battery back in it if I can get it charged up. Amazing. Bush 10.1 tablet, Android 4.4.4. We can't touch that. We can touch that. Well, I might be able to do something with it. I just think one thing I can do is do a factory reset to erase any data that's on there, because I don't want anything that this may have been my granddaughter's or grandson's details, although it does actually say that there doesn't appear to be an account on there. Can't touch that side. There we go. Reset tablet. Do we want to erase everything? Erase everything. Will it come back and tell me? Yes, it will. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.